uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa paseke appointed lona nolezimagqagqa uadvocate Ncuyathobi senior counsel as the acting justice of the Constitutional Court. Bafethu, this is well deserving. We on a more positive side of things, we can't take away the fact that ukhefu bafethu. Hayi story sakho uyasazi yena. Hayi ukhefu siyamvuma futhi nathi ne. Sibhizi si-analyze kunjalo, sibuyeni, singalibalanga. Mose sibhizi silungisana nomcimbi wokwenza ne-criminal justice system yethu nje judicial yethu yonke nje sibhizi ngalo mcimbi lowo right now. Bafethu ligqwetha lika-President Cyril Ramaphosa. Ngingalibalanga sisesenala case yephalaphala esese on. Ligqwetha lika-President Cyril Ramaphosa ile. Bafethu, ngingalibalanga kusekhona nala case ka Malema leader ye-EFF uJulius Malema. Ligqwetha lika Malema eli. Bafethu ngiyakhumbula ndithi bakukhona nala inquiry ebizwa ngoba inkabinde inquiry njoba sinemadlanga commission ngapha nje edila nezi allegations ezavuswa nguGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Kukhona enye ngapha ebizwa ngoba inkabinde inquiry yona i-allegations zakhona phofu umuntu owabhalile ebhalela upresident kwaba yi-former national director of public prosecutions uShamila Batoyi. Xa kegqibula uShamila Batoyi hayi sekeduke neze ngokutshone vele story sakhe nje akasafukwazi nje ukusimela phofu ke i-allegations zakhe zi-against u-advocate Chauke. Advocate Chauke lowo representwa u-advocate Ncuyathobi. Bafethu anilibalanga ndithi apha kumadlanga commission sisesano minister Senzo Mchunu esalindele into bababuye ba representwa u-advocate Ncuyathobi. So nje ndifuna sithi siyi-analyze yonke lento siyi-5K kira nje yonke lento leyo sincoma futhi asinamona bafethu uyayideserve yasideserve sisikhundla qha nje ifuna sithi sincoma kunjalo sibe ngapha sina umbuzo ba ibe akapositionwa na but yena ukuyideserve le position le esisikhundla esi hayi bafethu yena uyasideserve. Angikwazi futhi ukungatsho mose mnandi ngulothanda ukuncoma into enhle xa into inhle incomeka ngiyayincoma. Bafethu ngumXhosa kwase Eastern Cape uadvocate Ncuyathobi. Sisesabhizi ke phofu ngalo mcimbi onokwenza nokulungisa i-criminal justice system yethu. Sisalindele ukuva kupresident into yoba uthathe siphi isigqibo even nangolidwaba. Ngizakhumbula ndithi bakukhona la judge liyana enezitsholo zoba ingathi udlalele oKatiso Molefe i5 allegedly kwakhona izitsholo ezithi ngathi wabhadala boma 2 meter kwenzela oKatiso bazofumana amabheli wo 400,000 kunezitsholo nyana nje zinjalo nje iphinde ikwa the very same person ulidwaba lona owabonakala ingathi wadlala indima nasekuklasifyeni ilapha laphala njoba ngosephinde yavuka phansi ikwa the very same person nini seva kuthiwa hayi nanku ufuna into babe ngujudge president yena undo ulidwaba. So sisalindele ukuva into ba uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa uthathe siphi isigqibo because seva into yoba bona aba oNcuyathobi no Julius Malema babehleli mosi kula panel ngaba abantu babe interviewer undo ulidwaba and uyavela into engathi bamrecommendile babe baninzi ke no Braden o advocate Braden Bach babe baninzi nje noLikhanyane. So nje sihalela nje ukwazi into yoba ibe upresident i-decision akazayithatha ngolidwaba ithi bafethu indlovu yeyimakhi territory yayo ivale into izilungiselele kwenzela ba noba ngavela ephi ingxaki abe esazi into yoba I once scratched your back, now it's your turn to scratch my back. I hope this is all ethically. This yonke into yakhona yenziwe nje ngendlela right, akuna zifavors abantu ebenzelana zona. But as for uadvocate Ncuyathobi bafethu hayi ngimthulela umnqwazi yena.